It's too tight. It's
falling?
Yeah.
It's supposed to, Dad. If it's raised too high, you won't even have enough room to plug in the HDMI. So it has to be lowered like that. It has to be like this. That has to be like this.
No, but you see, it's not stable. It has to be.
Wait a second. Wait a second.
Tighten it. You screw it wrong.
Wait a
That's why it
second.
doesn't.
Is this even the right screw? I can't tell. Wait, can't get it.
Are you using a correct screwdriver?
Yes, I'm using the correct screwdriver. It's magnetic. It's easier.
Let me screw it. Because it is supposed to not fall like. It's not supposed to be doing that.
Okay, so
Put it in. Put it in. Not supposed to do that.
that is too high. I can't get it in the hole. Oh, okay.
See, it's tight. You get the other one.
It's good.
Here, yes.
No, it's good. It's going in.
Yeah, now
Oh,
it's tight.
now it is good. It's good.
It is good.
It is good.
It is good.
Wow, why are you taking a video?
Next time when mommy asks you to build a PC, you know how to build it. Okay?
Well, I don't know how to do the reset switches and all the other switches. That's your job.
It is good.
It is good. Okay, now we put this weird plasticky thing and screw this back in. And I think we're done. Let's just plug it in, test it, and then we can actually do some weird cable management thing.
Wow, cable management. You're talking like an IT
Okay, give
professional.
me the hard drive cable. Hard drive cable. We need to
It
plug in
doesn't-
the hard drive cable.
Oh, yeah, right.